Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.